How about we have a little bit of fun? You've been hearing about artificial intelligence, Chat GPT, Bing Chat, Google, all this. Well, today we're going to play around a little bit with Bing Chat, which incorporates some of Chat GPT. Well, hello YouTubers, and welcome to Bing.com. So what I wanted to show you here is that when you go to Bing, so you should know that I do have a Microsoft 365 account, and I do have a Microsoft email address and account. Not sure how much that matters, but wanted to let you know. So this is Bing.com, and obviously today is St. Patrick's Day, as you can see there. Up here, if you see in the far right, see that letter B? Well, that is the Bing Chat, which is also the AI Chat GPT. So it is right there, and I'm going to get rid of that for a second. You can also go right here, and you could type in anything there that you want to. And the third thing is you see the word chat now. Chat is now included in the menu. So if you go to chat, it opens up and there's your chat. So let me try this for you. I am actually looking to purchase an updated Roku here at home. So maybe I don't want a Roku this time, so let me ask AI, what is better, a Roku or a Roku, I'm going to put Ultra or Fire TV Cube. Let's see how it handles this. And you can see, you could put it on what style that you want, and I just have it currently on balanced. And so the first thing that happens is it just confirms what you typed in. Then it tells you, I'm looking for it. And here comes and says, and it just kind of gives me an idea. It shows the prices. The nice thing about the Bing AI is it includes the internet search. So that makes it more current than just Chat GPT, as best I know anyway. So here it gives me some information, and it says, here's the right way to go if you want this, here's the way to go if you want that. So I'm not sure. I think I want to compare better, and maybe let me see if I can get a table to compare. I've not done this before, so I don't know if this will work, but let's try it. So what I asked is, could you just put all that information in the table, and look at that. So it gives me a nice little table to compare the two products, as you can see here. Pretty nice job, isn't it? And it gives you enough information here where you may or may not be able to make a decision on what you want to do. Even the design is interesting, whether it's organized or polished. It's kind of a really neat thing. So there's something on the Bing Chat, and you can see, by the way, in the search bar now, here in search, I think it is now included even there. You only get 15 per day. Today anyway, and that of course keep changing. And I've noticed it has been improving quite a bit. Let me try something else here. So I'm just asking it, what's the best time to go visit Southern Florida? I didn't put a city or county or anything. I just put Southern Florida. And here you go, late winter and spring, February through May, weather is optimal, etc., etc. And so you could see it does reference a particular magazine there. And again, this seems to be getting better and better for me as I look at it. Let's see, what else may I want to ask it? I'll put Southern California, how's that? I don't live there, I just am going to put that in. And I'm asking for the spring weather outlook, so it'll go, I'm sure, and cite some places or some magazines, whatever, and there it is. And in this case, it used an almanac. Says, I hope it helps. And you can see here, I can click on that, and here is winter weather over yet, etc. So it even gave me this from Bing, which is a little bit more information. Today's St. Patrick's Day. Let me try this. So since today's St. Patrick's Day, I'm asking what meal should I prepare for 8 people? And again, I'm just thinking these up. Many options for 8 people: traditional, corned beef and cabbage, Irish stew, so etc., etc. Bangers and mash, perfect idea. Easy meal and tired of corned beef. And I think I could click here. And sure enough, I click there and look what pops up. So the difference here is that it gives you a lot more information when you ask a question, provides you, it points you to where it's getting the information from. It does use the internet, which I think is great, by the way. And so all in all, as this improves, and I've seen it improve a lot, by the way, just in the last month, since it was announced. So I am able to get Bing Chat on I have an Android device, and so I downloaded the app, Bing, and Chat is on there, so I could do it on my Android device also, as well as here on my Edge browser. It's integrated right into it now, as you can see here, which is really neat. And you can go to Bing.com, and let me just put it in again for you. Here's Bing.com, and this is what it looks like. So play around with it and have some fun. This is the future. This is the way search is going to go, and I hope you enjoy this productivity tool. Thank you. All right, let's again look at a question. Let's look at another question for our friend here. It is spring break time, and let's ask, where should I go for spring break? And I'll put 2023, and we'll ask it. And as you can see, what happens here, I did it from the Bing page. So here you go. So the results came up here, and you can see these are regular internet search results. And here on the right, there are many great places to go, etc., etc. It lists a bunch of places, and you can see here is that if I click on it, it's actually a link and will help me and gives me a lot of information. So that was really good. Let's try to chat again. What kind of question should we ask? Let's check the California drought. So how are the California drought conditions? We all expect they're a little bit better with all all of the moisture they receive. And you can see it does give us a response and tells us that there was, it did improve conditions, half the state is drought-free, etc. The reason I wanted to show you this one was more so because the Bing, or the Microsoft version of ChatGPT, the artificial intelligence, is it uses the internet. So it does give you a current look at it, and there you go, right there you could see it. So here's just some ideas I thought you'd be interested in seeing ChatGPT, and let me give you a summary.
Well, I typically review or look at or unbox hardware products, but today I wanted to just show you artificial intelligence, how Microsoft integrated on their Bing search with ChatGPT artificial intelligent responses for you. So you could see that instead of just getting a list of links with your search in it, you get a narrative from Bing Chat, and the narrative gives you a bunch of details about your question, gives you links into it, gives you notes that you could look at. It tells you a whole lot more. The main difference between Bing Chat and ChatGPT right now, I believe, is that Bing Chat includes internet, which means it's as current as the minute that you're looking at it. So you have all the information you need. It's really simple. You can get it by using on your phone the Bing app, or as I showed you, I used Edge with Bing Chat on it. Very simple to use. It's neat. It gives you nice answers and fast. So I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's a little bit out of the ordinary, but thought you would like it.